Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Wabosha and welcome to the Slay Squad. So today I'm coming to you guys looking raggedy as hell, but it's okay because we're about to get ready. Get ready to go where, you might ask, you might wonder. To bed because that is a realistic life of a content creator. But today I am incredibly excited about the hair that I am going to be installing for you guys, because we're going to be taking advantage of a new method that wigs are incorporating these days called the fake scalp method. Well, the fake scalp method has been around for a while on YouTube, and I don't know if you guys have seen it. Just in case you haven't, just to explain it a bit, you're supposed to take a bald cap, something like what I have under here, and then you stick it onto your head. So you cover like all your baby hairs all the way to the front, then you use your wig glue to cover it, and then you cut off excess hair, and then you plop the wig on back on your head. This method was invented by a YouTuber called Linda Marie, if I am not wrong, and it's just supposed to give you a more seamless wig application. So we figured out how to hide the knots in the wigs by bleaching, by using foundation powder, but what personally I feel like the fake scalp method helps with is the grid, because you know at the end of the day a wig is always going to look like a wig. On camera it might not look like a wig, but trust me, when you are this close to a person, those grids are usually so visible and very clockable. Do not be deceived. So I feel like the fake scalp method really especially helps with concealing those grids. So what this company has done, I'm not sure if I've shown you the box, but the company is called Eva Hair, is they've taken the fake scalp and stuck it onto the wig, which makes lazy people's lives, like I am a very lazy person, it makes our lives very easy. So I want to show you guys the construction of the wig. I have already opened it before, so I have seen how it looks like. So I'm just checking out the netting, and as you can see at the inside of the wig, the cap is sewn in there. So you also don't even need to wear this cap underneath your wig. You can just like wear the wig straight away because there is a cap sewn onto the wig. I don't know how visibly you can see that, but you see kawaida how the wigs look like is there's just the lace from the frontal and the lace just goes all the way back. So now instead of having the full lace, then they have sewn this in so that it can help it look a lot more natural. Another unique thing that I've seen in the wig is for the elastic at the back. So it comes with this thing that looks like a bra strap at the back. So there's one on both sides, there's one here and another one here. So in the packaging you get these things right here, see? So there's one that looks like this and the other one looks like that. So what you do is you just attach this to the end of the wig like that, and the other one you attach it of course to the other side like that, which this is actually way simpler than having to sew on the elastic, so I really appreciate it. And considering it has like the 3 hooks, depending on how big or small your head is, you can pick one that is suitable and then you just attach, and you have the elastic band for your wig. I really love that. But in case you don't like this, it does come with an elastic that you can sew on for yourself. So apart from the band, you also get the hooks behind here. I normally remove them because I don't know, I feel like it just makes the wig not lay too flat. So you can remove some of them, especially like this one at the center. I normally always remove this one. So there are a couple of more things that you receive together with your purchase. I got 2 wig caps, a wide tooth comb that looks like this, and also some cute bobby pins. You never have enough of these pins because they just always get lost and the cameras refused to focus. But yeah, they're just basic black pins. So I think now we can go ahead and start with the wig application process. I am still going to wear my wig cap just because I feel like it helps to smoosh the hair down, because my hair is still pretty short. I can't be able to cornrow it, or if I can, it'll just be really painful, and the front has actually started growing out a lot. So the wig cap, I feel, just helps it stay flat. And because this is a new one and the color doesn't quite match my skin color, I'm just going to go in with some foundation here at the front where it is more likely to be seen, just so that I can make it match my skin tone a lot better. That step honestly makes such a huge difference, especially if you're outside in natural lighting, because you see the difference between here and here. Like here just blends in a lot better. And also you might want to do this outside, like when the wig cap is not on your head, maybe put it on a mannequin or on your hand, because the foundation will transfer onto your hair. For me it's wash day, so I don't really mind. Here is the very long beautiful hair. I have had it for quite some time, just sitting around in my bedroom, so I'm just combing it out, and it is so soft and it combs very easily. Here it is. So I'm just going to start by cutting the lace. So I'm going to cut the one at the back first, and then I'm just going to put it on my head and then cut the front one. So just before we put the wig back on, I'm going to do the same thing to the lace on the inside. I just want to go in with some powder, because on some areas where the lace does not have the wig cap, it would be a bit light for the front of my face. So I'm just going in with some powder again, so that I can just help that lace blend in a bit better with my skin tone. So you can see the difference between where I have applied the powder and where I have not, hopefully. So the lace has been cut, but you can see how the wig is a bit loose on my head. Usually I prefer the wig just to fit a bit more snug, because I usually don't want to lay the wig down with glue every single day. And again, like I said, I'm very lazy, so I have done my mother godania some at the back. So this is initially how it's supposed to fit. So normally, because these straps are not the ones that typically come in wigs, I normally just you know, like sew on a band that's of my size. But because I have the option not to, what I have done is I have cut little holes on this other side, and I'm just going to stick the hooks onto those holes. Let me just do it so that I can show you guys what I mean. So you see, I've put my holes in there instead of in here, and I don't think I want to cut the whole band, just in case one day when I have a bit of time, then I can just sew it on nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a pin and hold this securely to this other side, and I'll show you the difference that makes with the fit at the front. See the difference? Like the fit is already way better, and this wig is not going anywhere. It is secured, it is not going to move. But then I want to lay it down still, just that I can get, let me move closer so that I can get, you see where the lace is lifting? So sometimes that is how you become very clockable, you know, the wig becomes visible. So when you stick it down, then those little edges are not able to come up. Okay guys, do you see what I am seeing? I think I need to bring you guys in a lot closer. Look at that install. Oh my god. Wow. It looks like I literally peeled off someone's scalp and put it on my head. It is beautiful, and this without even like putting baby hairs or anything. So I want to actually lay my edges right now, just a bit at the front, not too much, just that it can look even more natural.
One eternity later.
Okay, so this is like a decade later. I don't know why doing this baby hairs is so difficult. I mean, I kind of like how this side and this side looks ish. Actually, no, they both don't look so good. I'm not like a professional wig applicator. I'm not a professional when it comes to hair, so I just share what I learn with you guys, and I think I'm just going to have to practice a bit more when it comes to the baby hairs. So just to make the front look a bit more cute, I think I'm just going to push the hair a bit to this side. Okay, so I just ended up going with a side part because I feel like it hid the mess of the baby hairs that I tried to do. Next time when I'm installing this wig, I will definitely not try to put in any baby hairs. I'll just roll with it like that because I feel like it looked even more natural. And also the other thing that I wouldn't do is wear a wig cap because I feel like it is noticeable. So if you get this wig, don't wear it with a wig cap because you can see, like at the front, you can see exactly where the wig cap is, and if the wig cap was not there, then the application is a bit more seamless. Either that or you join where the wig cap ends and where the thing starts, but you can only see it because I've really like zoomed you in. If you're further away, then you can't really know exactly where the wig cap is. But yeah, I'm excited. I was doing this at night so that I can really learn from my mistakes, and that's so that I can also show you guys. I just don't want to do some adakadabra. You know, sometimes how you watch a video and then you're like, whoa, how did you get from this point to this point? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some basic makeup, and then I will be back to show you guys how the final result would look like. I've just finished doing my makeup, and it's literally like the fastest I have ever done my makeup. It took me like 15 minutes, and I also pulled the hair back so that I can show you guys how that would look like. Keep in mind that it's not a 360 wig, meaning there is no complete lace all the way around, so you'd have to be a bit sneaky if you want to pull the hair back. Then take it down. That is how it looks like. That's how it looks like. So if you are curious, this is what I normally apply on my wigs just to make it a bit shiny. It's the Shiny Oil Sheen with pure oil extracts and minerals. You just need literally a tiny bit. I don't even apply it directly to the hair. I put it on my hands first just in case, and then I apply it to the lengths of the hair. I think the hair would be incredibly beautiful if you flat ironed it and were going for a bone straight look. However, I want to keep the volume for now, so I won't flat iron it. And yeah, this is how the hair looks like. Oh, final review. This is how the hair looks like. I think I've shown you this hairline so many times because I am in love with it. I would 100% recommend it. Of course, this is an initial review. Once the hair has stayed, let's say, for 1 month, that's when I would really be able to comment on the shedding and, you know, like all other aspects that would need a lot more time in order to comment on. But as for now, I am happy. I am very, very happy. I will leave all the details of the hair down below in the description box. And that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe down below for new videos every Mondays. Always remember to work hard and have good intentions. Until next time, bye guys.